All right, today we're going to be learning about how to use CustomInk, which is a pretty awesome website. So what you're going to start out by going to customink.com. All right, customink.com. All right, then while you're in here, go to Design Lab. All right, I'm going to do no thanks. I'm going to start from scratch. So it gets you straight into the t-shirt designing. So let's say you don't want to design a t-shirt. So then you're going to go here where it says change products. All right. And go to all products. And here you have a lot of different options. All right, so some pretty awesome and exciting options here. So let's say for my Mary project, I want to do drinkware. All right, and I like my coffee, so I'm going to do a mug. All right, so then I choose a mug. Okay, let's see. I like this one right here. Okay, let's say I want to do this one. Then I'm going to do, let's see, I'll select a color. I'll do that color. All right, because Mary is frequently associated with blue. So here, I got a blue. All right, so then I'm going to do select product. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty easy to use, but just to kind of go over, just in case. So let's say I want to add a phrase related to our Blessed Mother Mary. One phrase that I personally find pretty that helps me in praying and thinking like Mary is the phrase "Let it be done." All right. So I'm going to do that, add to design. All right, it's pretty cool because you have all kinds of options for lettering. All right, so let's say I want this one right here, Canvas script. Let's see, the font size is too large for text in this product. Please choose another font or reduce the number of characters. All right, so then never mind, I'm not going to use that. So you'll occasionally get those little errors, and that's no big deal. You can just choose different, follow directions there. So how about we try this? Let's see if this works. All right, hey, look at this, and then this is really cute. So we'll do this. All right, I'm going to center it in the middle. All right, I love it, it's beautiful. So then I'm gonna choose my color. All right, I'm gonna choose a color pretty similar to the lip of it. All right, and then also I can add some art. So let's say I want to do some flower or some nature. So I'm going to go down to flowers here. Do bouquets and bunches. How about, oh, this one's really cute. I'm going to do this one. Oh, too much color, that's okay. But what I can do is I can make it all one color. And so I can put it in here. Let's say I want to do some background. Some cute little background there. So pretty, and then say, oh, I really like that. Okay, let's keep it this way. Alrighty. I could call it done right there. All right, this is a nice little reminder to invite Mary into my life and to pray like she did, let it be done. And so then I would screenshot this and insert it into my document. So I hope that helps. You got a lot of different things here. Let's say you could change product colors here. You can upload some art from your own computer. You have all different types of options for artwork to add. So I chose flowers because I really like my flowers. You can add a few different letterings. So lots of options. All right, hope this was helpful. And let me know if you guys have issues.